Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida out 20 nautical miles, coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles, Pensacola Bay Area including Santa Rosa Sound, waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles, waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi from 20 to 60 nautical miles, until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 nautical miles southwest of Farewell Buoy to 20 nautical miles south of Gulf Shores Beach to near Navarre Beach, moving south at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Fort Pickens, Farewell Buoy, West Santa Rosa Sound, Pensacola Beach, Oriskany Reef and Pensacola Pass. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time Sunday for the following marine locations: coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles, waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi extending from 20 nautical miles to 60 nautical miles, Pensacola Bay Area including Santa Rosa Sound, coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line, Florida to Pensacola, Florida out 20 nautical miles, and waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles. This is a special weather statement for the following areas in Alabama, Baldwin Coastal and